Hello, I'm James Stewart Reed of soundmadevisible.com. I'd like to introduce you to the Water Wonders kit, a wonderful way of making sound visible. The Water Wonders kit converts our Model E and E Plus kits, which use particulate matter, to a water-based system, as you will soon see. You can easily capture the beautiful Water Wonders imagery using your smartphone, but for convenience in this demonstration I will be using this DSLR camera connected to this computer. Just add water to the fused quartz cuvette, adjust the level on the mixer and sing into this microphone. As you can see, voice frequencies are easily imprinted onto the surface of pure water using this fabulous kit. Also, you can use the oscillator to make visible a range of pure sound frequencies in water. A whole world of sound made visible is available to you with the wonderful Water Wonders kit.